Hi, my name is Blessy Chio, and I'm a team lead in our onboarding team here at Sprout Social. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through managing noise in your listening topic with Sprout's listening tool. Topics are queries built in Sprout Social that constantly gather data relevant to saved search terms. Not all topics are created equal. Some topics that you create might contain search terms that are also commonly used words in everyday conversation or in different irrelevant contexts. For example, let's say that I want to build a brand health topic for the pet food company, Pedigree. The word pedigree itself can also be used when people talk about purebred dogs or the recorded ancestry of a person or family. But that's not really what I'm interested in. What I want to see are messages or conversations around the Pedigree brand as well as its many product lines. So to manage the expected noise in the topic that I want to build, I can utilize listening's grouping feature and exclusion feature. Let's start with the grouping feature. Once I've identified the words or phrases I want to track, I can group these keywords with another set of words or phrases that people might use when they talk specifically about my desired topic. So for this example, my topic preview shows me approximately 50,000 initial search results, and I can see that a lot of these messages are irrelevant to my topic. To fix this with grouping, I am going to click the End button to start another set of keywords and phrases that is grouped together with my initial search terms. So I am just going to put in dog food and dog treats. Now the listening topic will only pull in conversations about pedigree and dog food or dog treats. Grouping gives me more granular search results, and as you can see, once I clicked on Update Topic Preview, I was instantly able to get rid of thousands of noise, and I can now use this topic to know how people feel about Pedigree as a brand and its products. On to the exclusion feature. I can see that there's still little noise here and there in my topic preview from people posting about deals on Pedigree products. I can use the exclusion feature to put negative keywords in my topic so that any message that contains these search terms are not collected. It looks like there's a number of irrelevant tweets from this user called BWC Deals, so I am going to add their handle as an exclusion in my topic. And once I do this and update my topic preview, I can see that my volume has once again dropped down because it stopped collecting those messages. If you are seeing a lot of noise in your topic, remember to leverage listening's grouping feature and exclusion feature to narrow down your search results to the most relevant messages. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We'll see you next time.